LG has begun to implement Android Oreo for users with V30 devices in the Verizon network, as Android Police saw it. A user posted screenshots of the software update on his V30, which appears to include some changes to the notification window and a new configuration application. The software update is 1.7 GB. Users of a forum where the screenshots were posted said they expected some features from the AI camera, as some Korean customers have reported, although so far there seems to be nothing in the EE version. Other Verizon V30 customers said they have not yet been able to update, so it looks like the launch is gradual. Android Oreo was launched in August last year and is slowly spreading to Android users. The adoption of the latest operating system is very fragmented, and not all devices receive the update at the same time. There have also been some initial problems. Essential says it will take Oreo to its phones with a public release of 8.1 due to stability issues, while Samsung stopped launching the new operating system on Galaxy S8 devices due to unexpected reboots. According to the latest data from Google, only 1.1% of Android users currently have Android Oreo 8.0 or 8.1.